Good day, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy, Mr. Posh, coming to you once more. I know it's been a while, but this is my hair, fresh out of braids. It was blown out. It's been sweated out. I'm going to shampoo it with the Afro-G Keratin Green Tea Shampoo. Then I'm going to do the Afro-G 2-Step Protein Treatment because my hair needs it, followed by the 2-minute Reconstructor as a conditioner. This is my hair freshly washed. I shampooed it twice, once with the Afro-G shampoo and another time with the A Purple shampoo to knock out any brassiness that I had. Now I'm just going to section my hair off into workable and manageable sections and apply the protein treatment. So once I section my hair off, I'm going to start off in the back and I'm going to show you guys. Then I'm going to try to focus this on my hair, trying not to get this on my scalp because it will cause slight irritation if you have sensitive scalp. I'm going to focus this on the bleached hair and not so much on my natural hair because natural hair really does not need this hard protein treatment. This is to replace the protein that I lost while lifting my hair to a really high ash blonde, level 10 in most parts and a 9 and an 8 in other parts, but mostly a 10. So I'm just going to go through, make sure it's evenly distributed, and keep on going. So here, I just want to come back to you. I'm still applying it. This is my severely damaged section. I'm not expecting for my curl pattern to return. Whatever curl pattern that is seen here in this video is that was not affected in the bleaching process. I did have to do multiple color corrections and my hair has been through a lot. So I'm surprised that it's still even there to begin with. But again, just rake it through evenly. This treatment is a hard protein treatment again. It is for professional use. I see a lot of people on YouTube using it. Again, it's not something that is light and to be played with. This is serious protein treatment and it's for chemically treated hair and for regularly heat styled hair. One of the first ingredients is hydrolyzed collagen. Um, and it has to be used properly. You have to condition it properly. Here I'm just taking a handheld dryer. It's my Buttercup dryer from Drybar. It's a great dryer. It has ionic technology, ceramic technology, etc., etc. But the next part of this protein treatment is it must dry completely in your hair, and your hair will feel extremely strengthened. A layman's term for strengthened is it will feel hard like a helmet. And you'll know it's 100% dry because your hair will not be movable and flexible and pliable like my hair is still seen here in this video. So this part might take a while. You may sit under a handheld dryer if you want. I think a blow dryer works best. Simply because you won't overheat the hair and over manipulate it, and you can still touch around and feel around which parts are dry and focus it on whatever you need to, whatever needs to. So here, my hair is freshly washed once again. Using a moisturizing shampoo, I'm just shaking it out. And now I'm going to apply my Bay Breeze treatment, which should be left on your hair for 2 to 3 minutes. But I'm going to leave it in. I'm just not going to use as much. I'm going to focus it once again on the bleached area and blow it dry it into my hair. I'm going to focus it on my crown area. The crown area has been breaking off the most because I realized that I only focus on my perimeter and the back of my hair and not the crown. So I'm remembering to massage that in. Then I'm going to use the Afro-G Pro Vitamin Leave-In Conditioner, which has a lot of vitamins and nutrients, but most of all, it's a UV protectant as well as a heat protectant. I'm going to use the main choice's Cuticle Leave-In Ancient Egyptian line on my natural hair on the back. As you can see, it's very oily and a slight thick consistency, but it's still lightweight. But I'm going to focus it on my natural hair because of the oils that are in there, and I don't want it to affect the color. And lastly, I'm going to use just a pea-sized amount of the Silk Essentials by Design Essentials and go through and blow dry my hair with a paddle brush and my Buttercup blow dryer. Typically, I would use a concentrated nozzle and or a blow dryer with a comb attachment, but I didn't want to walk back and forth, and that's what I had in my bathroom, and I wanted to record the video and get it over with. But after I blow dry my hair, I'm going to go to my job and have one of the other stylists braid it for me and have it as a protective style for the week, since I just did my protein treatment. And that's all I will be doing from here forward until my hair grows back out to the length that I am accustomed to.
Let these bitches know, nigga. Queens, Brooklyn, that's not nice.
It's me just coming to you back, finishing the video. So this is my hair after the protein treatment, and last week I had a trim. So protein treatment, and last week I also did the olaplex step 1 treatment, and I slept in that overnight, which is what you're not supposed to do, but I did it anyway because my hair is severely damaged and broken. But here are the results.